Relentless wind and rain are wreaking havoc throughout the area. In downtown Sacramento, this tree came down on 2 cars, including Jim Bielgard's Ford Focus.
Well, it looks like it's taken out the entire roof and the window in the back. Who knows what other kind of damage. Besides that, it's pouring down rain, so the inside is getting completely soaking wet.
At 19th and X Streets, a family of 3 was driving along when this tree fell on their truck. Amazingly, they were not injured. And just a few blocks away at 16th and H Streets, Robert Hecky says another driver crashed into him on the slick road. The collision took out a stoplight and sent the other driver to the hospital.
I think Californians always drive poorly in the rain, honestly. It was probably the scariest thing that's ever happened to me.
Southbound I-5 had to be shut down on the Yolo bypass near Woodland after a semi-truck blew over. The driver and passenger had to be rescued from inside the cab. At the Yolo Causeway on I-80, wind battered the welcome sign and whipped up whitecaps on the bypass, sending water onto the interstate and slowing traffic. And it was even worse for drivers on nearby East Childs Road, shut down by flooding and down power lines.
It's just about, you know, the perfect storm. Everything's just coming together all the right time or wrong time, whatever you want to call it.